Well, I think I'm born with a van. My name is Serge. I'm from Quebec in Canada, and I live in my van since around 11 years. And I invite you to come inside to see it. Okay, I would like to start with my furniture. It's a desk, it's a room desk. I buy that for $75, and it was a room desk with, you know, the desk with the big mirror, and this one was upside down. And we take off mirror, we cut the leg, and we fix on the ground. And I use that to put some stuff like this. And after that, we cut the desk to fix my stove. I have a stove with a oven. That's my one. I fix in the back. It's like a aluminum decoration, you know, but it's good for splashing or everything. And I fix a little finishing on it. I cut the desk to fix my sink. It's a little sink, bar sink, they call that. And what I do, I would like to save all the space. I cut the tier, cut to keep all the space. And after that, I use this one here. I don't know if you can see it, to put all my my nourishment, my everything dry, you know. And after that, I built this one here for put some little thing. We always need a place to put a little gadget. And I made this one here. It's only a little 2 chain with a rope. And here, I don't know if you see my my stuff here. I have my hot water here for a shower. And if I need this, I take like this for my shower. I open the window and I put outside for the shower outside, hot water. And here what I do, all my stuff, they're gonna drop down. I fix the little thing here, like this. And that holds everything. And I have my fan, it's Max Air, 10 speed. And it's very, I use for when I'm cooking. And I use 2 for fresh air when I sleep. I open the door in the back, the window in the back, and that's make me a big turbulence, you know. And after that, I fix a light here. I don't know if you see it, but it's a strip of light with like everybody wants, you know, make some ambient. I don't know how to say in English, but you change the light and everything, you know, and that's what we have for this corner here. Well, I work a lot. I do a lot of things, and when I stop to work, I take my I was retired. I decide to start again what I like, you know, and I live in my van now. It's like I said, around 11 years now. And, it's fun. Okay, and now I would like to talk about this section here. First thing, everybody love my djembe. I made a rack to hold it there. It's only 2 pieces of plywood, 3/4 glued together. And when you open it, I can take off, you know. That's my, and I have my fridge here. The fridge is, I think it's a 5.8 cube, something like this. It's take around 4.2 amp on 12 volt. And on the top here, it's a storage. That's the side of over the cab, you know. It's very large space, because in the back I have my golf club. I play golf and I have all my golf bag there. And it's a place, you know, when you have something and you don't know what to do, you put there. That's why it's like this, you know. On this side here, I have a box, and I use it for my brush, you know, clean the floor and some gadget, you know. And I made this one here to put some little thing we don't know where to put, and I use it for my key. This one here is an old t-shirt. I was there, and it was too small. I cut it and I fix on the board. That's make a nice nice decoration, you know. And I do all the top is little wood, paint wood, and it's all glue one at the time. All the wood is made like this, and I do a jig to put all around there. It's almost, and I have the same thing on this side here. And if I would like to play on my fridge and everything, I just can. I just need to lift this and I see everything inside to repair the fridge if I need it. And this is my my curtain to cut the front to the back when it's cold and everything. That's my little thing when I'm traveling, to put all my gadgets. When I was young, I do a lot of things. I cannot explain everything, but I love everything. Is artists. I do a lot of dance. I do jazz, funky, rap, or tap dance, or we do. I was with a bunch of people, and we do like musical comedy. But don't ask me to sing, because you're gonna have afraid. And I'm not a singer, but I was a group with the people, and we do some traveling show, yeah. And but before I was retired, I have a company, and my business is I do invention. I do a motorcycle invention. A lot of stuff they are on the bike. The people, they don't know, but I'm the I'm the one who built this part. I have a chrome shop too, machine shop, and when it's time to take a break, I stop everything and I start to traveling. That was my little life. Okay, I would like to talk about this side. This side, I made a little table. It's paint, wood paint. And I made very small, because my thinking when I built this my van is to have a more space to live. I don't want a big desk or a big. That's why that it looks so wild here. And what I do, I made a shovel like this, and I buy some basket, and I built the size of this one here, the same size than the bottom. That's mean when I put here, I have a little lip here. They slip there automatically. They never follow down, and I do a lot of off-road with that, and no problem. And the wall is they call that it's not real wood. It's a decorative board, you know, and it's very nice. It's easy to wash. That's nice. And I have my toilet too. It's under the seat here. Take off the cover, you take off this piece, and the toilet is right here. And it's made with just a shovel with a bag, and I use some wood rip. It's like a dry toilet. And now I'm gonna talk about I fixed some switch on the top here. The switch I'm gonna use for my light in night, you know. And I fixed to a privacy curtain, and I can fix here if you have if you want to go to the toilet. I have some privacy. I think I'm gonna die in my van. I think I'm gonna tell you a big secret. No, don't tell that nobody. But I'm gonna have a 71 years old. That's what I'm gonna have in March. And I hope I'm gonna stay in my van since I'm gonna die. I love it, and I don't want to go back home. And now I know a lot of people all around North America, and I think I'm okay for a few years now. I feel good, and I think traveling that's you feel. Traveling, that you feel better, I think, because when I go back home, sometimes I see a lot of friends and they do nothing. You don't need to traveling in the life, but you need to do something you like it. If you like to, don't know, do racing, but do racing. Don't wait. Do what you like. And Le Van for me, it's my life. Okay, now I would like to talk about my bed. It's very important, the bed. If you don't sleep well, you're going to traveling not well, bad, you know. And what I do, I have a little cushion, 4-inch, and I have a board underneath. If I receive some visiting, we never know, and I can pull it here and make a big bed. And what I have under my bed, here is my control for the inverter. This one I have some USB, a lighter plug, control for my battery underneath the truck, you know. And here is my control for my heater, the diesel heater, and I fix a diesel tank under the truck. Here I have some storage, and I have my heater underneath. At the diesel heater, Chinese they call that. I have two other storage here. Put some stuff. I have one here, one here. Bread and everything. It's nice because normally it stay cold down there. And underneath the bed, if I want, I can go outside, on the side, or I can lift the bed here. And everything is under the bed. My controller and MPPT for my panel. I have a 400 watt on the top. I have a MPPT 50 amp. And after that, it's almost thing. And I have, when I would like to go to do some shopping, or I have my bike outside. I have a rack in the back to put my bike. It's a Yamaha 225. And it's almost done. So I have a lot of storage there. Same thing then in the back, and I put all my my little thing. That's my home. It's like everybody, the people, they're traveling with the van now with the amazing internet. Everybody do some video or some picture, you know, and I have it's a Facebook group. The name is La V Van. La, it's like a V. It's a big V with a dash van, you know, because when I start, I have some friend and I would like to give some picture, you know. But now I think I have some 1,500 people. I think they follow me. And if you come, it's okay, but I think you are in a good hand now with the guys. Just make the interview. How did you say that? Interview, and maybe we're going to see you on the road. And if you see me and I don't recognize you, let me know. Take care, everybody.